Hi everyone. In this video we'll see how to use PicoW with CodeSkool Scratch. So the first thing you have to do is refresh your browser few times using Ctrl plus F5. So once you have done that, in the board menu you'll see a new extension Raspberry Pico with the Scratch blocks icon. So select that and click upload firmware to download the firmware picoblocks.uf2 file. So on your Raspberry Pico, just press the boot cell button and connect the power. So once you've done that, a new drive will appear. In that new drive, you have to copy that UF2 firmware file which you have just downloaded. Now once you have done that, that drive will disappear and then you can click this add extension and a new extension will appear. Now here you click this connect button and select the Pico BLE and click pair. So just wait for like 2-3 seconds and then click connect and then say go to editor. Now here we are setting the pin mode as input, then we are reading the values analog read from the joystick, and then that joystick values are from 0 to 1023, so we are mapping to 0 to 480 and then we are subtracting minus 240 because the values start from minus 240 to plus 240 minus 180 to plus 180. So we are mapping the XY to this screen and then we are setting the fish position based on that XY which we have calculated using the analog XY from the joystick. So let's just run this program. So I hope you like this video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.